Hi everyone, today I'm unboxing the Blackwing Volumes 200, also known as the Coffeehouse edition, as well as a separate point guard in matte black, and also a one-step pencil sharpener by Blackwing. So each one of their volumes comes in a specially designed box just for that one, and it also has the story of what is behind it. They also give you the release date and then what the finish is, the eraser, and this is the important part, what type of graphite it is. So this is the whole story. It is called, even though it's volume 200, they call it the Coffeehouse pencil because of what it was inspired by. So then you can see here they drew the illustration of a coffee plant with the little coffee beans on it. And then they explain here a little bit about volumes as well. Each quarter we release a new limited edition pencil celebrating the people, places, and events that have defined our creative culture. And then the other side of it is an actual picture of the pencil. So this is actually a sleeve and it will slide off. And then the pencils themselves come in a box tucked away like this. I've already taken a couple of them out, but they all come with the removable black eraser. And they do sell extra erasers that you can buy as refills for this part as well. So I do save these boxes. I keep the box and the sleeve over it. As of right now, I don't have too many of these, so I've been just keeping the boxes with them. I will be selling some of the extra pencils. I plan to keep about 6 of each of the sets that I purchase. So in this video, you'll see these. I'll be selling them on my coffee page. I'll make sure to put that link below. I'll sell 6 of these, and I also have 6 from a limited edition Labs from 2021 that I'll be selling as well on my coffee shop. So stay tuned and I'll put those there soon. So this particular volume comes with this amazing copper color here at the top, as well as a black eraser. The graphite in this is the same as the 602, so it's their most popular sketching graphite that they have, just like the classic of the 602. So it's really great for sketching in a coffee house, you know, drawing urban sketching and things like that. So this particular set, the reason why I love the color as well is this is my art travel kit, and so I thought the coloring just matched it really well. But also this is my everyday carry wallet, and so as you can see, a lot of the theme of the old coffee house and everything, it just works very well with this vintage look of the copper foil highlights that are in my everyday carry. Now this go around, I did go ahead and order a couple more things. One is the point guard. So this one is in matte black. There is only one in this package. They have some that come in sets of 3s, and they have others that come in like a variety pack of colors. But this particular one is just one, and I only needed one because it's the one that's going to be going into this bag here. So I got the matte black to go along with that eraser up here, as well as the font inside of the pencil there is a black as well. So you can see initially with it, it is very, very long. So first I'm going to sharpen the pencil down a little bit, and then we'll see how long it ends up after we sharpen it. So the new sharpener that I got is their one-step process one. They've had one by the German blades, I believe, that are used in these are Cum, the German company. Excuse the paint on my table. And this one, I believe, has that nice blade as well. All right, so Blackwing has their own label for their German carbine blade that's in here. The ones they had been using in the past were by a German company called Cum or Cum. I'm not sure if this is still that or not, but can you hear that? So this is aluminum, so it has a nice solid feel to it. It doesn't feel plasticky in any way. It's amazing, but it's still very light since it's aluminum. And the idea is that you can still get a very nice long point even with this one-step blade instead of the two-step they had before. So very nice. The other classic thing about these pencils is they come with a specific cedar that these pencils are made out of. So they have a very nice cedar smell to them as well when as you are doing the pencils. All right. All right, so I thought I'd show how we can put all this to action in a notebook here. So this one here in particular, since it's my everyday carry, I have decided to make this my fountain pen sample notebook. As you can tell, I've kind of been hoarding it and afraid to use it, but you know, the purpose of these notebooks is to be used. So what I thought I would do is, since I will be swatching out my fountain pens in here, I thought this would also be a good place in my everyday carry to keep the differences of what my leads have. I have 3 different types of, let me put that one here. I have 3 different types of Blackwing style of leads. So let me put this here. So the white one here called the Pearl, this one is, I believe, the one that's called the Balanced Lead. The 602 is the Firm. And then this one was an experiment of a very, very, very soft type of lead. It was a special lab released on November 26th, 2021. So this is a very, very, very soft graphite. They do have a couple of other types. I had a sample box, but my daughter draws as well, so I don't have those particular ones with me. So I thought I would go ahead and sharpen up the dull ones that I have that I've been using, and then also compare them to this guy right here. So this pencil sharpener says it can hold up to 3 full pencils worth of lead. So we'll see how it does. There we go, that's sharp enough for me for right now. It's a really nice to-go sharpener. Now, if you like the super, super long point, I don't know which one I like better. All right. So since these are pencils, I'm going to do these from the back here because the front is really going to be featuring fountain pens. So, get my art satchel out of the way. So I weigh it down. This is my clip from Traveler's Company. This is the special edition for Starbucks. All right. So their most popular is this one, which is the 602. This one is the Blackwing Pearl. This one is all right. So since I think it's going to be most similar to this, I'm going to write this one right here. Yeah, it definitely feels most similar to this one right here, the Blackwing 602. So this is going to be a great sketching pencil to have in my art bag here. Okay, so both the classic 602 as well as the Blackwing 200, they are both considered the firm lead. These are the ratings that Blackwing has. They have extra firm, firm, balanced, soft, and then this was a special limited edition, which is extra soft. So this one, as you push down, you can feel, it actually does feel soft. You lose your point very quickly. Same thing with balanced. Balanced is, to me, softer than the 602 as well, and I feel like I lose my tip pretty quickly. Sometimes I like this one better for sketching with shading. I think this one really gives a nice, like it says, balanced lead. I think it gives a nice balance between the two that I'm able to draw and shade with this pencil here. And then the 602 I typically use for putting down a sketch that I'm going to ink over and that I would do with, you know, maybe ink and watercolor. So that's how the Blackwing 200 is going to fit into this mix as well. It's the perfect sketching pencil. And those of you that might be new to Blackwing, the cool thing with Blackwings is all of these erasers are refillable. So they sell the refillable erasers on their website. They completely come out and you can inch them up as you start using more of the eraser. I also love that they come with point guards. So if I just want to throw this in my bag by itself, I can do that as well. And it's not going to draw over everything. But also when I put it in my pencil pouch, I'm not going to get a pencil line going down into my pouch as I stick it in there for storage. So here you can see all those swatches next to each other between the firm, balanced, and extra soft. I love how this color completely goes with my everyday carry wallet, even down to those copper details and the matte black. It's just a perfect match. This one-step sharpener, I love how it's aluminum and not plastic, has a nice weighted feel to it, and the same aluminum feel is on this separate cap for the pencil as well. So I really love this set and how everything goes together for my everyday carry. If you love Blackwing as much as I do, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.